Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and well, it's there. We had talked about the fact that AI could someday be used against us in creating malware. Well, it didn't take long. Since last year, of course, we heard about ChatGPT, about Copilot. We have the Google Gemini. Well, it seems since September of 2022, a malware written by AI, and we're not sure which AI has been used to do it, has actually been sent through email to thousands of organizations. And that, what it does is drop a information stealer. So basically, what it does is snoop on everything so that it can get some precious little details that might be useful, of course, to make money. So this is one of the first examples we've seen officially in the wild. And now this is also telling us that AI, although like everything else that can be used for good and do great things, will of course be used for bad. What is the worst part about AI is that instead of having, before the malware had to be programmed, that could be done, thought of, you needed people that knew at least a minimum of technology and what they're doing in order for that to happen. But with AI, even, a stupid idiot can just think about some malware and the code's going to be written by AI, and then it's just distributing it and all of that. So, pretty crazy when you think about it. So, since September 2022, it's still actually circulating as of April and of this year. So, it's pretty crazy when you think about it. And you just wonder what is actually going to happen when these things get even more powerful. Just can't imagine. They were mentioning that AI can be used to make perfectly secure machines. Yeah, but AI can be used to compromise perfectly secure machines too. So, what do you guys think about AI and especially the dangers in this case of being able to create code, create malware that is distributed with the help of artificial intelligence? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.